welcome back to Beauty Bee and to a Ufta Fab Fit Fun unboxing. We're going to put this down because it's heavy. Glad that I chose to film this on the floor this time. Filming it on my chair last couple months ago was pain. So this is a seasonal subscription service. It is $50 a month. I decided after last month to sign up for the annual box, which means that I pay $45 for each box, but I'm billed all at once, so I'm billed $180. So I am set with FabFitFun for the next year, so hopefully this is a good box and I don't immediately regret that decision. So in this box we have the little magazine. I might look at that later. I probably will not, though. And items. Many items. So I'm going to start with, I think, yes, this is the one sort of add-on item that I purchased, and this is a brush set from Luxie. This is their iconic eye set in the rose gold collection. So they have pink handles and gold ferrules. I've heard good things about Luxie brushes in the past, and this was a really nice price. I want to say this was like $8 or $9. I thought that seemed quite reasonable. In this, you get sort of a larger, fluffier shader brush, a blending brush, a pencil brush, which I am actually really excited for. I've been wanting this size of pencil brush for quite a while. A flat liner brush, which I actually don't know that I've ever used a brush cut like that before. And then what I would consider a little bit of a smaller shader brush. I'm going to unwrap this so you can get a better look. Okay, now we can see it without the plastic wrap. I think these are going to work out really well for me. I can't get them out right now, but they feel good. The bristles feel quite soft. It looks to be pretty evenly cut. Awesome. I'd actually considered purchasing, I don't know if it was this exact eye set or just a similar one from the Luxie Beauty site several months ago, and just decided not to go for it because it was a little bit more expensive than I was comfortable with. But for $8 or $9, very, very happy with this. I'm looking forward to using it, and let's just go with whatever's on top. Because I am an annual member, I was able to select all of the options in this box. However, I don't really remember what I picked for a lot of them, so I can't say that this is a surprise for me, but it kind of is. It really shouldn't be, though. So first up, we have a hot chocolate bomb maker to make these spheres. This must have been one of those options that comes with like 3 different things, because I would never have selected these for myself. Maybe these could be cute for something. I don't see myself making hot chocolate bombs though. That seems unlikely for me. Next up, we have something called Manny Moments. Get a salon-worthy manicure at home. This Manny bundle is a perfect choice for girls' night in, bachelorette parties, blah, blah, blah. Our nourishing ingredients soothe and hydrate dry skin, leaving hard-working hands looking good as new in 15 minutes or less. These DIY manicure kits and nail file will keep your hands and nails in tip-top shape. Okay, so there is a nail file, and then 2 Manny in a Box kits, which each include a sugar scrub, a cream mask, and then a massage butter. Okay, that sounds fun. I will definitely use this later in the winter. My hands for right now, knock on wood, are actually in pretty good shape, but I am sure that as we get into January, February, they will be a dry, cracked mess, and I will probably really enjoy this. So that's fun. Next up, I actually do remember choosing this. This is from Tula Skincare, and it is their purifying face cleanser. I thought that this was a good size. It's 6.7 fluid ounces. And face wash is something that I go through. I do not think that I have a full-size backup face wash right now, which is great. So this is something I'll use pretty soon here. Tula, I've heard good things about. I can't say that I've ever heard anything about the cleanser in particular, at least not that I can recall, but I am not super picky with face cleanser. So if I can get a few months of washing my face out of this, fabulous. I tried to be pretty practical when I was making my selections. Next up, we have these little Kate Spade earrings. I haven't actually opened them up yet, but I remember picking these too. I like that it comes with the little jewelry bag, and in true Kate Spade fashion, it is pink instead of the standard black. Cute, like that. And then we have 2 pairs of earrings. The little pearl earrings that I quite often wear actually broke earlier this month. The bead or the pearl separated from the back completely, and I haven't totally given up hopes of fixing it, but it's not looking great. My first attempts did not work out so well. So I'm excited to have these. I can't see myself wearing these rhinestone ones very often. They're a little bit big for my tastes, at least as far as rhinestones go. I mean, they're very large and very fake looking, but I might give them a go. I'm definitely excited for the little pearl ones though. And they have the price tag on the back. These apparently are $68 regular price. I guess that they probably do not retail for anywhere near that most of the time. I'm guessing that these are probably more like $45 at the higher end and can probably get down to more like $30, but I'm still happy with it. I think I'm gonna like these. Let's see, next up, we have the Vadam India tea bags. Oh, I remember this. I think that these were in a set with this maybe. Anyway, I remember picking these. And there are 5 different types of tea, 25 tea bags, so you get 5 for each. I just thought these seemed interesting. I am not wild about tea generally. It kind of just tastes like dirty water to me most of the time. But I do like chai, specifically vanilla chai. And I noticed that was one of them. And it would be nice to have some tea around for when other people come to see me. They might want some, so decided that would be kind of fun. There are, I think, just, let's pull out everything that looks like a card for another business. Here is $15 off your first Fab Fit Fun Box. So there is the code there if you are interested. I will also have whatever my referral link is. They give everyone a referral link. It's not specific to YouTube or anything like that. And I also don't really know what is attached to it for you. So, you know, look into things and decide what is best for you personally, what will get you the best deal, if you choose to sign up for this service. Okay, there's a big box in here. I think that's going to be the next thing that comes out. And then I think we only have one item left. Okay, I remember this. This is from Lily Pulitzer, and it is a set of ceramic mugs. So we're going to speed past me struggling with this box. I am intending on giving these as a gift, so I'm not going to unwrap the other one. But there are 2 matching mugs in here. They're from Lily Pulitzer. They have this cute little floral element inside with the gold handle and this really, really lovely floral print with faces inside some of the flowers on the outside. These are really, really cute. I kind of wish I was keeping them for myself, but alas, I am not. going to wrap this back up and put it back before I am tempted into making this my own. I forgot to mention, we usually get stickers, and these are okay. They're not my favorite set of stickers we've gotten, but the last item is the one I'm most excited for. This is a blanket. I'm cold all the time, so I'm pretty excited for this. It's very... Oh, it's a faux hide blanket. It's pink. I think I'm gonna really like this. This feels delightful. Let's see how big it is. I bet it tells me. 50 inches by 60 inches. So 5 feet by 4 feet 2 inches. I'm a little bit taller than average. I'm about 5'8", so this won't quite cover me entirely, but it'll be a nice throw blanket. I like this. I'm so excited for it. This will be great. I'm really happy with what I got in this box. The earrings, I think, are probably the biggest value adder, followed by the blankets. I would have been willing to spend $45 for just these two, probably. The mugs are a really nice gift, and I think the blanket could be a really nice gift for someone as well, if you were looking at it from that angle. I guess the tea could be a nice stocking stuffer for someone. I'm going to probably keep these unless they... Oh no, they actually do come as, if not individual bags, then maybe in packs of 2. I kind of thought that they might be set up as a packet with 5, in which case I might have actually used them as stocking stuffers, but that'll be good. The Manny kit would be a nice stocking stuffer as well. I can't see anyone really wanting this. Maybe I'm just missing out, but I'm not interested in this at all. And the face wash is rather nice. I'm really happy with what I got in this box. I think this is actually a better box than I got, I wanted to keep saying last season, than I got for fall. Part of that is probably due to me upgrading to the annual plan, meaning that I get to pick more of the items. Instead of picking 4 out of 6 this time around, I got to pick 6 out of 6. But I'm really happy with it. I think that I got a really good box. I think the value was definitely there. And I am looking forward to seeing what comes in the spring box. Though we need to get through winter before we can even start thinking about spring. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed and that you will consider liking and subscribing if you did. I will link my unboxing playlist. I have unboxed 2 Fab Fit Fun boxes previously, and I would suggest checking those out if you are interested in the subscription service. Thanks again for watching, and I really hope that I will see you all next time. Bye!